Hello traders, and welcome to the channel. So what is the best prop firm account for beginners in 2025? Let's look at how much a funded account will actually cost you. And I don't just mean a price comparison. We'll take a deep dive into how easy these accounts are to pass, how many evaluations you might need to take to get funded, and which option is truly the cheapest. The second factor is how easy it is to get a payout, because that's the ultimate goal. Prop firms vary significantly, and you don't want to waste money on expensive evaluations only to struggle with payout rules or high payout thresholds. You want to secure that payout while spending the least amount of money, possibly reinvesting those funds into new funded accounts to grow your capital further. To keep things simple, I've handpicked some of the best accounts for new traders. Not all of them. The main goal is to help you understand what to look for. So if your favorite prop firm isn't included, compare these key factors to see how much a funded account would truly cost and how easy it is to get paid. For this comparison, I will use a $50K account. The prop firms we are analyzing are Bulanox, Apex, and Tradeify. First of all, you want to wait for good discounts from all prop firms. Let's assume we need 5 evaluations to pass one account, and we'll include the activation fee in our calculations. Bulanox offers discounts of up to 91%, but more commonly between 75 and 83%. When we add the $148 activation fee, the total cost to get a funded account would be $233. Apex has similar evaluation discounts to Bulanox, but activation fees have ranged from $85 to $125 lately. The total cost for a funded account would be $170 at the cheapest, though it often aligns with Bulanox in pricing. Tradeify offers strong discounts, with base evaluation prices lower than competitors, typically around 30 to 40% off. Activation fees have varied between $99 to $125. The total cost for a funded account would be $211 at the lowest. So, as you can see, the discount percentages alone don't tell the full story of the actual costs. Why you shouldn't overpay for evaluations. If other prop firms charge $100 to $130 per evaluation, including activation fees, and you need 5 tries to get funded, you're looking at a total cost of $500 to $650 per funded account. Some of these firms offer additional perks like daily payouts, but if you're new, haven't passed a challenge, or haven't received a payout yet, that's not necessarily the smartest move. One major advantage of Bulanox, Apex, and Tradeify is that they offer one-day passing, meaning you don't need to trade multiple days, and there are no consistency rules. This makes their challenges easier to pass. Also, all the accounts in this price range have trailing drawdowns. Another plus, no scaling plan. These accounts provide more contracts than you should reasonably use, so you won't run out of them. Consistency rules for the funded stage with these accounts range between 30 to 40%, which is quite favorable. How easily can you get paid? Let's look at the minimum withdrawal amount and the profit target needed to request a payout. Bulanox. Payout threshold is $3,600. Minimum payout request, $1,000. Maximum first payout, $1,500. Requires account balance of $4,100. Apex. Payout threshold is $2,600. Minimum payout request, $500. Maximum first payout, $2,000. Requires same account balance of $4,100 as Bulanox. Tradeify. Payout threshold is $2,100. Payout request you can ask is $1,500. After the profit split, you receive $1,350, which is the best of the 3 firms. Here's where the differences start to matter. All of these firms are great, but which suits you best? Tradeify has the lowest payout threshold, but after a payout, you'll only have $600 drawdown left. Is that a problem for you? For me, it's not. If you prefer a bigger buffer after payout, maybe Bulanox is a better fit. All 3 of these prop firms are excellent choices for both beginners and experienced traders. They offer competitive costs, good profit to drawdown ratios, fair consistency rules, and enough contracts to trade effectively. These are the key factors. When you're still new to trading, you want to stay in the game as long as possible without running out of capital too soon. That's the main takeaway from this video. I've made more detailed videos on Booleanox and Tradeify, which I'll link in the description if you want to check them out. If you want to support the channel, use code OFT to get the best discount available at any time from Booleanox. I'll also link the Tradeify link in the description. Much appreciated. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.